Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to get live access on TikTok. So open the TikTok application on your device, and then at the bottom center of your screen you see plus sign, and you should swipe left to find the live option. If the live option isn't available for you, ensure that you meet following requirements. You must be at least 18 years old and your account should have at least 1,000 followers. And if you meet this criteria and still don't see the option, try updating your TikTok application to the latest version, or you can wait a few days as access might be granted gradually. So when you found the live option, tap on it, then enter a title for your live stream. Optional, but you can choose a cover image, and you can apply some filters, and eventually when you're ready, tap go live button to start basically your live. And to enhance your living streaming experience, ensure that you have stable internet connection, engage with your audience through comments, and follow TikTok's community guidelines to maintain access. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.